Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and if today is your first time of stopping by, then you're welcome to the family. Yes guys, so I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to use your curly wand and how to use eco styler to lay your edges. Like if you're that type who hasn't got time in the morning to start going through the stress of using got to be spray gel or any adhesive out there, this one is definitely for you. But this one, it's not something that will last you till the next day. It's just a day wear, but at least you're going out and you still want to look good. Winding how I laid this frontal using eco styler gel. Please continue to watch. Alright guys, so that's just me showing you the baby we're going to be slaying today. Her name is Valentina. She's going to be available on pre-order, okay? It might take 3 weeks for her to come to you, but guess what? When she comes, she's going to be with you forever. Like, you can will her to your great-grandchildren. I'm not even joking. Okay guys, let me stop playing with you. Alright guys, so you want to wear your wig and make sure your frontal is lining up to your own natural hairline. So I went ahead to use my eyebrow razor to cut out some more baby hairs, and I'm going to be using my edges brush to lay the edges today. So that's me combing out the baby hairs and fixing my hair tab, making sure the hair is perfectly fit and sitting exactly where I want it to be. So that's just me showing you guys that this wig is actually super secured without any product. However, you don't want to go look for trouble, because if you do and they pull your wig, she's gonna come right off. So stay out of trouble, okay? Alright guys, so I went ahead to apply eco styler gel on the baby hairs and use my comb parts to make my swoop while using one of my fingers to hold the hair in place. Then I went in with the brush side to kind of define things and just slick it to the direction that I want. So baby hair depends on you and how you want it. So you just kind of have to play around with it, you know. And don't worry, it might look difficult, but keep trying, and one day you just start slaying your edges like a professional, okay? So yes. So I'm just gonna go ahead to do the same thing on the other side. Apply some eco styler gel, use one of my fingers to hold the hair in place, and make my swoop with the comb. Alright guys, so that's it for my edges. So right now I'm gonna go ahead to wrap her down with a silk wrap while I curl my hair. Alright guys, so to curl my hair today, I'll be using the Remington curling wand that was actually gifted to me by my sister in UK. Foxy Berry, shout out to you. Okay guys, so Don't forget, when we're coiling on the left side, we're going to be holding our wand with the right hand while using our left hand to wrap the hair around the wand. So you're going to hold the wand for 10, 15, 20 seconds depending on how much hair you grab at a time. For me, I have a lot of hair, so I actually let it sit for 30 seconds before I release the wand. Then I went ahead to use Got to Be Free spray to hold the curls in place because I don't have my clip around. So you want to spray Got to Be Free spray immediately if you're not going to hold the hair, if you're not going to allow the hair to cool off in your hands. So the Got to Be Free spray is just going to hold the curls in place. So I went ahead to do the same thing, and we're just going to repeat the same thing throughout the entire hair. So I'm just going to fast forward it at this point and let you guys watch what I'm doing. So don't forget to always curl away from your face. Okay, so I kind of noticed I was looking too serious. I'm like, Titi, this is not an exam, man. Come on, loosen up. So I smiled. Yes. And always be careful not to burn your hand, okay? I always burn my hands anyways. So, but hey, I don't want you to burn your hand, so be careful, okay? So now I'm going to be coiling the right hand, so I'll be using my left hand to hold the curling wand while using my right hand to wrap the hair around the wand, just like so. So because I always like elevation at the top of my hair, so I'll be using a clip to hold it in place, spray some Got to Be Free spray, you know, that's just gonna give me the elevation that I want. And there you go, I burnt my hand. Yes. And voila, we're all done. Not done, I mean, we're done curling. We need to start this baby. So guys, staying under dryer wasn't needed because I had enough time to allow the edges to get dry while I was curling my hair. I just wanted to film for you guys like, oh, this guy has gone to a salon. No. Okay guys, so I went ahead to spray some argan hair, then use my wide tooth comb to comb out the curls. You know, look at those edges, like they're slayed. They are slayed. So I went ahead to use my hot comb, you know, to better define my elevation. I also went ahead to use my foundation color to better define the parts and also to match the lace into my skin. And yes, look at that baby, she's slayed. It's the curls for me, baby. It's the edges for me. It's what for you? Let me know in the comment section, okay? And that's the final look of this entire unit, guys. I love it and I hope you guys love it too. Would you try this technique? Please let me know in the comment down below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you get to be the first to see whenever I upload videos, okay? And I will see you in my next one. I love you guys so much. Bye.